Right, there's actually zero wind now, so we're waiting for an imminent cop out. 22.9. Come on wind, we just need a bit more. I do not know how that is still staying above 23. A little bit in and it's back over 23 again. Right, I've got this video recording, so we're going to see the exact moment it cops out or finishes charging. I'm getting a little bit in, it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to leave it another 5 minutes and hopefully we can get the batteries over 24 and then we can use the soldering iron. Right, so I'm going to plug this soldering iron in. Right, we'll concentrate on this a minute and I'm going to activate the soldering iron and then keep it on potentially till the inverter cops out. Ready? Or 30 seconds, you can't really run this for longer than 30 seconds in one go, so 3, 2, 1, go. It's been 20 seconds. Oh, here comes a bit of power to save the day, look. Right, that's 30 seconds, so we're going to let off now. What I'll do, I'll just get set up and then I'll actually solder something with it. Right, the voltage is on 25. Sorry, it's on 23.5. And I shall tell you when I'm going to hit start. Okay? Now. Crappy LED's broken already, look. There you go. We soldered a connection using the wind turbine. 23.3 we're on. Go. Down to 23.06. Oh dear, this is terrible. Right, so yeah, it's done that without conking out. That's good. So that inverter seems to work. That was the worst bit of soldering. Let me do that again. That's the worst bit of soldering. Let's try and get a great big glob on there. Jolly good. Just to show you again, the battery is full. Jolly good. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it, see if the battery goes over 24, then we'll use it for something else. I really don't think this is going to work and it's going to cop it out immediately, so I'm going to try connecting my bandsaw. this bandsaw, 350 watts. We're on 23.5 with no power coming in, so I don't expect this to last very long. No, it won't have it. Cool, I dropped straight down to 22 then. Let's try it again, but the same thing's going to happen. Give the soldering iron another 30-second blast. That's 10 seconds. "20 seconds. Smoking, baby. Smoking. 30 seconds. "40 seconds, and then off. So there wasn't a lot of wind coming in today, but I believe that's a step forward. The inverter actually works, and I know that I can use it to charge the drills and use this soldering iron. So peace. And now the wind has stopped, so I'm going to see if I can zoom in on the blades and see if we can notice any problems with them. It's hard to see on the camera, but if I brighten it up a bit. See what looks like a line there. You can see a light, definitely a line there. I'm pretty sure it's where I hit it with filler. But the next video will probably be, or should be, the next video will be me taking it down and just having a double check of those things. It has had a bit of a beating. Remember, we had those very strong winds where it was furling, so that'll probably be the next video. But I consider the fact that I managed to get the inverter working and using a soldering iron as a success, and I think that that will be the way forward. Rather than trying to heat stuff up all the time, it's not a very good use of electricity, but if we can use it for charging tools, then that will be something that I think is pretty cool. So see you soon. Just a reminder, I've still got these blades sitting there. The size is totally separate in the middle, so I think it would be a great mission to get them working on the 100-watt turbine, but they are there. Really, I need to take them inside and clean them up, because there's one blade where it's got damage that has been covered up, so that's a job I need to do pretty soon. And also when I get some help, this needs taken inside and putting on the bench so we can have a play around with that. There's the metal blades on top of the fiberglass ones to give you a size comparison.